Hi everybody. One day I'll figure out something good to say at the beginning of these videos. I have lots to say at the end, but I always forget. I'm making a base for the Thanos I made in the last video. I'm just cutting some foam to go around this MDF circle I bought at the dollar store. I did a little around the bottom to, I don't know, want it a little bit sphere-ish, you know, tapering down at the bottom. Yeah, that's tapering, that's the word. Now I'm cutting all the little pieces I'm gonna put on the sides, gluing them down with my favorite glue, super glue. It's a super time. I hope you're having a super time too. I am. I spent so much time setting up all these lights so you can maybe see me. Okay, now I'm filling in all the gaps. I used a silicone here. It's a clear silicone, well, it dries clear. I didn't mean to use silicone, and this had to dry overnight. What I wanted to use is spackling. I'm gonna add some now. It's the next day. It has more of a rock texture. So I added a bunch of that. That only takes 15 minutes to dry. I would have finished the night before if I used the right thing. Just making some orange magma color. Just mixed a little red with some orange. And I'm going in all the cracks. I left some of the clear silicone. I'm painting over all that. I think it'll give a nice effect. Now for the rock color, I mixed black with a little bit of white and a little bit of silver. Get a bit of a gunmetal gray color. Done. Now I'm gonna give it a clear coat. I mixed some matte varnish with a gloss varnish to give it a little bit of gloss, not too much. Just sealing it up and adding some gold because it looked boring. I think if it shines with some gold, that would be cool. It'll match the gold on Thanos. Going wherever with that shit. Okay, I want it to be a little raised, so I'm adding these little wood blocks with super glue. I just poured some black paint while I'm waiting for that to dry. Drink a little coffee. I'm just painting around the blocks. That's the only part I think you'll be able to see if you're looking underneath. Now I'm just gonna give it a black wash to add some more texture and the wash is just black acrylic paint and water. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna attach Thanos to the base, so I always just use toothpicks. They're not super sturdy. If I wanted to take them off, it would just break it. And I think it was 5. I don't remember. But I found the right drill size for the toothpick. I drilled some holes, glued the toothpick in, put some glue on the toothpick, stick his feet in the foam ground, and it's done. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Keep your head up. Peace.